Heart Murmur. From the field, I turned to a Spartan castle for kings and queens. I was flying my falcons. I had a good view. I caught a ram. That's what you think. Then I was nailed by a heart murmur. Then I was nailed by a heart murmur. I walked with a stone in my shoe. I saw an albino squirrel. He was blackballed. I saw a red cardinal. I touched the gray stone of the last frontier. Then I was nailed by a heart murmur. Then I was nailed by a heart murmur. I know when the story begins. I just don't know when it ends. Every day is something. Make it something more. After plowing the field, I was nailed by a heart murmur. I was nailed by a heart murmur. Written and read by me, J.A. Have a good journey.